Sukkah, Perek Beis, Mishnah Vav. Rabbi Eliezer Omer, Rabbi Eliezer says that Arba Esrei Su'udos, 14 meals, Chayev Odom Lechol Basukkah. A person is obliged to eat in the Sukkah, over Sukkahs, Achas Bayom, Achas Balayla, one during the day and one at night. And he learns this out. We mentioned the pasuk before, Basukkahs Teishu, you should live in the Sukkah for 7 days. And just like one would normally have one meal during the day and one meal in the evening, this is how a person should behave on Sukkahs, one meal in the Sukkah during the day and one at night. Chachomim oimrim, but the Chachomim disagree, and they say ein ledover kitzvah. There is no fixed obligation. One must have 14 meals in the Sukkah. If one wants to have a meal, it must be in the Sukkah, but one doesn't necessarily have to have 14 meals. Chutz milele Yom Tov Rishon shel Chag bivad. Besides the first night of Sukkot, when one must eat and have something, of course it would be in the Sukkah. And the Bartanura explains this is learned from a Gezerah Shava, where there's a tradition linking two words, in this case the Chamisha Osa, the word Chamisha Osa in the Torah, referring to Pesach, linked to Chamisha Osa, referring to Sukkot. Just as we find on Pesach, it says, Bo'erev toichlu matzos, one must eat matzos on the night, the first night of Pesach. Similarly, one must eat, being a kazayas, bread, on the first night of Sukkot, and that would therefore be in the Sukkah. V'oid Omer Rabbi Eliezer said something furthermore. Mi sheloi ochal leile Yom Tov Rishon, someone who didn't eat on that first night of Sukkot, Yashlim, he can make this up, Beleile Yom Tov Achron, on the night of the Shmini Atzeres, also Yom Tov, one can make up, eat something special to make up in compensation for the lack of meal on the first night of Sukkot. V'chachomim oimrim, Chachomim however say, ein ledover tashlumim, there is no compensation for the missed meal on the first night of Sukkot. Al zeh ne'emar, regarding this it says in Koheles, mu'uvas lo yuchal liskoin, something twisted which can't be straightened, v'chesroin, or something lacking, lo yuchal lehimonis, that can't be counted. This would be in this category, it cannot be made up. The meal that one should have had on the first night of Sukkot cannot be made up on another occasion. That concludes the Mishnah.